My dear children, in this video we are going to know and learn the phonic sound of I. This is the letter I and the phonic sound of I is E. The phonic sound of I is E. E. This is E. The letter is I and the phonic sound is E. E for India. E for igloo. This is igloo. Igloo. E for in the. In the. Ink pot. Ink and inch tap. Again, once again. Now, this is the letter I and the phonic sound is E. India. India. Igloo. Igloo. In the. In the. Ink pot. Ink pot. Ink. Ink. Inch tap. Inch tap. This is inch tap. Okay. Inch tap. Insect. Insect. Okay. Now we are going to sing in phonic way. In there is itching. In there is itching. E is the sound of I. E is the sound of I. India and insect. India and insect. Igloo and in the. Igloo and in the. Ink pot and ink. Ink pot and ink. Inch tap and igloo. Inch tap and igloo. Once again. In there is itching. In there is itching. Is the sound of I. Is the sound of I. India. India and insect. India and insect. Igloo and in the. Igloo and in the. Ink pot and inch tap. Ink pot and inch tap. Insect and igloo. Okay. In this way we will learn all these words through phonic way, and the letter also, and the phonic sound of I is E. Okay, bye bye. Have a nice day.